Well, from bed bugs to broken elevators, Serenity Towers is an apartment complex most of us would never want to willingly live in. But for those who do, the city is taking action, filing a petition that the troubled apartment complex for seniors be declared a chronic nuisance.
Today, the matter against the property management company, Millennial Housing, went before the environmental court judge. And ABC 24's Scott Mattis is with us now to tell us what happened. Scott?
Well, good evening, Richard and Pepper. Now, the new safety concern that we're now talking about centers around bed bugs that have been identified in at least one unit, and the city believes that that might be spreading to other units. Inside environmental court, lawyers for both the city of Memphis and Serenity Towers appeared before Judge Patrick Dandridge for what should have been a standard hearing about the tower's current condition.
Cases that come before this court started from citations from the city.
Issues with the building's elevators, hot water, air conditioning, doors, and bed bugs have been at the center of the embattled living facility for months. And today, City Attorney Clarissa Shaw said enough is enough.
Millennia is a problem in our community. As a corporation, they prey on the most vulnerable people in our community.
Shaw says since litigation started, Millennia has failed to pay more than $36,000 in unpaid fines associated with the lawsuit.
They refuse to pay fines. They refuse to make meaningful repairs.
If there is some sort of delinquency, then that the court can consider a fine.
And as ABC 24 has reported this summer, residents at Serenity Towers were without hot water in April, May, and June, despite the court's request to fix the issue. And currently there's an effort to rid the towers of bed bugs.
Taxpayer dollars are being wasted by a corporation who fails to actually do anything.
Shaw says the Uniform Landlord-Tenant Act allows for a tenant by court order to go into each of their properties and do inspections without wasting taxpayer money.
That should be the cost that is borne to Millennia and not the city of Memphis.
All right, before the hearing ended, the judge demanded Millennia to do a full sweep of both towers, eliminating those bed bugs. And when that sweep, of course, is done, the city of Memphis will do their own sweep of both towers, identifying any problems that remain. Once again, the nuisance hearing is set for October 15th at 1:30. Live in studio, I'm Scott Mattis. Richard.
And we know you'll be there. Thank you, Scott.
Absolutely.